most importantly, AI is for everyone. It makes us smarter. It makes us more capable. It enables each one of us to be a more productive version of ourselves. And at AMD, we're building the compute foundation to make that future real for every company and for every person. Now, since the launch of ChatGPT a few years ago, I'm sure we all remember the first time we tried it. We've gone from 1 million people using AI to now more than 1 billion active users. This is just an incredible ramp. It took the internet decades to reach that same milestone. Now, what we are projecting is even more amazing. We see the adoption of AI growing to over 5 billion active users as AI truly becomes indispensable to every part of our lives, just like the cell phone and the internet of today. Now, the foundation of AI is compute. With all of that user growth, we have seen a huge surge in demand in the global compute infrastructure, growing from about 1 zettaflop in 2022 to more than 100 zettaflops in 2025. Now, that sounds big. That's actually 100 times in just a few years. But what you're going to hear tonight from everyone is we don't have nearly enough compute for everything that we can possibly do. We have incredible innovation happening. Models are becoming